Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you this amazing keyboard. Okay, I'm going to mention some properties so that you know how it works and its benefits. Okay, let me show you. Okay, it's come in a perfect and resistant box. Okay, US, this is in color white and RGB. Let me show you. Okay, first, it has try mode, it has 3 connection modes and built in a 3000 milliampere. Look at this. It's very light and comfortable. Second, this amazing RGB backlist effecting. RGB is necessary point when you play PC games. Also, hot swap gasket keyboard kit built in noise absorbing pad. This keyboard kit has its driver to customize the backlist, sleep, brightness, mood, etc. And you can also do the function of the key. It has with some instruction if you want to read more information about this. I love it because it's very light and convenient if you want to play video games or outside work. So I recommend this 100%.